Hello and welcome to the series of tutorials about Recogito. I'm Chiara Palladino and I'm going to guide you through all of the different features of this online annotation tool. Now, if you're here, you probably already know what Recogito is. Recogito is this wonderful online platform for collaborative document annotation, and with Recogito you can explore text, maps, visual sources through semantic annotation and mapping, and you can also connect to other data on the web. Recogito is maintained by Pelagios, a digital humanities initiative that aims to foster better linkage between online resources documenting the past and even the present, and it is just a wonderful digital humanities tool. In this series of tutorials, I'm going to give you an introduction to how Recogito works, and we are going to explore together all of the basic features of the tool. So I'm going to guide you through the creation of files, the upload of different sources, the organization of the workspace, and some of the basic features for annotating named entities and various strings of text. So this series of tutorials is pretty introductory, and it is recommended for those of you who have never used Recogito and would just like to learn from the basics. If you're already a pro and you would just like to learn the advanced techniques of using Recogito, I recommend my other series, Recogito for Pros, which is a series of very short tutorials about some of the more hidden features of Recogito and some of the more advanced types of things that you can do with it. So this all sounds exciting. Let's begin.